bus to the quarters.
Next stop, Regent Place.
Jewel quarter, we are all the jewels in there, you know. City Center ride. One bus in idea, yeah. The sun a shine.
Next stop, Victoria Street. Next stop, Charlotte Street. Charlotte Street. 101-2 Birmingham City Centre. Next stop, Ludgate Hill. Next stop, Great Charles Street, Queensway, for Snow Hill Station.
People see a great bull there. That's why they call down your bull ring. This is the bull, you know? Bull of all bull. Mighty bull. City Center. I'm in Birmingham City Center. Bull ring. Don't come to steal and still So again, I'll go short clip. City Center. As me show no me I come forward. Show no say me I come in the city center. See there?
Like 600 mile long.
Yeah. Now I do a lot in it still. Kinda early. Like bull ring, you know? Bull ring, you know? Yes, a Zara there. Come find Zara, man. I know if there's a Zara there. Great River Island. Great bull ring, you know? Not gonna catch all of it today. And next day I come tour the bull ring and show you what it is like. Birmingham City Center bull ring. Next day I come tour the place and show you the real thing. I see a bull ring in my city center, you know? City center poor today. Early Monday, you know? 1 o'clock. Idea. Body in. City center style. Good old JD.
This is heaven and hell. We chose not to create such an act because it cannot be in your head. Hence the reason why it's called head judge. Because it does have to be in your head. Head judge. Heaven and hell.
Head gone. I look a small truck I city center, you know? City Center look like there. Them there everywhere.
He's been racing for white guy.
I'm showing you one day when the city center ram. Pigeon Park, you know? Sorry. Most famous place in the city center, Pigeon Park. You say anybody tell anybody to meet them if they don't know the town. Right now, Pigeon Park, you can't go wrong. It's all about Birmingham City Center, you know? Pigeon Park. Pigeon them a parade.
Actually, let's stop back there.
Pigeon them a parade through the park, boy. Feed them there. Famous Pigeon Park. Birmingham City Center, boy. Wow. Run more over driver. Famous 101 to answer. You get run over by a bus.